Hey, tech enthusiasts! In today's video, I'm diving into the fascinating world of OpenAI and exploring 4 groundbreaking tools that are revolutionizing the AI landscape. Let's get into it. First up, we have ChatGPT. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that can answer your questions, assist with tasks, and chat on a variety of topics. That's ChatGPT for you. It's like having a super smart friend who's always ready to help. Next, let's talk about Codex. Codex is a game changer for developers. It powers tools like GitHub Copilot, which suggests code and helps you write software faster and more efficiently. Think of it as your coding copilot, guiding you through complex programming tasks. Moving on to DALL-E. This AI is an artist in its own right. You provide a text description, and DALL-E creates an image from it. Want a picture of a two-headed flamingo wearing sunglasses? DALL-E's got you covered. It's creativity unleashed. Then we have Whisper. Whisper is your go-to for speech-to-text capabilities. It transcribes and translates audio into written text with impressive accuracy. Perfect for those moments when you need to capture spoken words quickly and precisely. And don't forget, OpenAI offers robust API services. Developers can integrate these powerful AI models into their own apps, websites, or products. From natural language understanding to text generation, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, ChatGPT, Codex, DALL-E, and Whisper. Each tool is a testament to the incredible advancements in AI technology. Whether you're a developer, a creative, or just curious about AI, OpenAI has something to offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. See you next time.